Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to yet another episode. I just wanted to bring your attention once again to the constant attacks on parents and families at the Waterloo District School Board. There is an article in the Waterloo Region Record, and it's titled School Board Replacing Term Parents and Legal Guardians. And this article just goes to show, and it talks about how the trustees of the Waterloo District School Board are looking to change the legal terms. So let's have a quick look at this. I'm going to link this article in the description so you can read it yourself. Have a look at the comments as well and let me know if you think that parents are happy with what's going on or just the people commenting. So it says the Waterloo District School Board is amending some of its policies to remove the term parent, legal guardians, and replace it with families and caregivers. At least 4 policies were officially updated with new terminology at a school board meeting on Monday when trustees reviewed and approved the amendments to several board policies. So this just happened over here Monday, December 11th. So in 3 of the policies supporting students with medical conditions, about communications, and about fundraising, all references to parent and legal guardians were removed and replaced with families and caregivers. So, they're already amending quite serious stuff when it comes to like medical health for students, and, just to remove parents as a legal term from that is should be raising some eyebrows for concern on this one. And it seems to me like these trustees are just doing it and nobody's batting an eye. So let me read a little bit more. It sounds like a change was needed, and adopting family caregivers will be more inclusive of the broad spectrum of the family life in which children live, she said. However, the board's changes do not conform with Ministry of Education practice, which maintains the legal guardian already serves as an umbrella term. School boards should focus more on academic achievement, said Isha, a spokesperson for Education Minister Stephen Lissy in a statement. Some trustees took a similar position on Monday, questioning whether family and caregiver may be too hard and could create confusion, may be too broad and could create confusion in situations when a parent or legal guardian is required. Trustee Cindy Watson refused to support any of the changes and said she had voiced her concerns when policy groups were meeting to suggest updates. I have said it multiple times. I do not support changing parents and legal guardians to families and caregivers. Both of those terms are very broad, and I'm not sure who that person would be, said Watson. So like I said, I think the Waterloo District School Board is not looking to do parents any favors. And if you haven't seen that other video where the trustees basically voted in 8-3 against parent rights. So Trustee Cindy Watson put out a motion basically honoring and preserving parent rights and their right to be involved in their child's education, and that the school system needs to work hand in hand with parents. And what did the other trustees do? Well, they voted down the parent rights. I highly recommend that you check out that video. This is really an attack on parents, and it's an attack on students as well. As you've known recently, they've also voted to keep explicit content in online libraries and have students access explicit books starting at age 4. They did not see a problem with this. Now they'll talk about all of these things and, they'll never do this. But when it comes time to actually vote and to actually do something about it, you gotta stop listening to what they're saying and you gotta start looking at their actions. And their actions are in line. They are against students and they are against parents. And I think they're power tripping over this. And I think you should write all the trustees on this. Tell them how unhappy you are that they're removing parents and legal guardians from their policies, because this is going to trickle down into procedures. And next thing, it's going to be the continual erosion of parent rights. And, parents are already pulling their kids out of the public school. And it seems to me like the Ministry of Education is not really doing much, and they're allowing this to happen. Well, let me know what you think about this. I would love to hear your comments. Are you in agreement with their removing of parent and legal guardians from these policies? I would love to hear your thoughts. Let me know what you think. And until next time, take care.